It's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we are out in our shop with a 6.8 RFE transmission. This is for your Dodge 2500 and 3500 applications for the years 2007 to 2010. So one of the most epic fails for these is the valve body. So it goes without saying that we make a tremendous amount of updates. The valve body is notorious for warpage issues, so therefore we install a Sonax kit and we also mill them to make them flat. The accumulator plate is another fail, although slightly less epic, so therefore we make those updates as necessary as well. We then dyno test the unit before we ship it out for operability, back it with our Powertrain Promise warranty, and send it to you. If you would like to speak with us about pricing and availability, you can give us a call at 888-842-0023. Follow us online to powertrainproducts.net, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.